Guys, good morning. This is Philip Grande. I'm a licensed financial advisor from Sun Life Philippines. And today, I just want to share to you one of Sun Life's amazing product. It's Sun Life Elite, no? This product is not VUL. This is a traditional plan of Sun Life, no? Without further ado, ayan. So that's Sun Life Elite po, no? Sun Life Elite has three variations, no? First is 10 pay, the next is 5 pay, and the next is continuous paying. So that's the payment term only, but in terms of components, same na same po sila. So 10 pay, ibig sabihin po nun, 10 years lang po kayo magbabayad, then you get to enjoy the benefits until age 100. The next one is 5 years to pay, 5 years lang po kayo magbabayad, and you get to enjoy until age 100 as well. And the last one is continuous payment. No, however, no, kahit iba-iba yung payment terms niya, sabi ko nga kanina, same naman po sila ng components, no? So, for here, no, the first component of Sun Life Elite is the life insurance coverage. So, you get to enjoy 200% of the face amount po natin. So, for example, you have a face amount of 500,000, you get to enjoy 200% of it equals to 1 million insurance coverage. So, the 1 million will be given to your beneficiaries, wag naman sana, kapag may nangyari po, no? Then, the next portion is the guaranteed endowment. So, ito po yung one of its key benefits, no? You get to enjoy 8% of the face amount starting on the 6th year and every after 2 years until age 100 po. Say for example, just for computation purposes po, no? 500,000 times 8% magkano? 40,000. You get to enjoy 40,000 every 2 years until age 100. Kung nalilitan ka po sa 40,000, pwede mo namang taasan po. Depende po sa budget ninyo, no? Ayan, yung inyong makukuhang endowment. And again, that's guaranteed. And ang maganda po nun, it appreciates every year, no? Yung inyong endowment. If hindi nyo siya kinukuha or pinupull out from your insurance policy, no? Ngayon, sumunod naman po is dividends. Dividends, though are not guaranteed, ayan, na-enjoy nyo pa rin po siya kasi binibigay po ito ni Sun Life as part of Sun Life's earnings and on the preceding year, ayan, sa kanyang mga policy holder ng Sun Life Elite. Ayan. Next, guaranteed cash value. Guaranteed cash value is a cash value na kapag kinuha mo, ayan, ma-terminate yung policy. But you can loan from the guaranteed cash value as well, no? Para at least hindi magko-close yung policy. However, if you loan from the guaranteed cash value, it is subject again for interest, no? Na pwede nyo namang bayaran. Depende sa magpagkakasunduan nyo po ni Sun Life. So that's the 4 components of Sun Life Elite po, no? So here, yun nga ulit, say for example, insured age is 0 years old. Kasi po, ang Sun Life Elite is best for kids. Why? Kasi mas mahaba yung kanyang endowment. Say for example, you have a newborn child, no? 0 years old, no? That's 7 days old yung pinaka-minimum natin na pwedeng i-insure na child or bata. Or yung baby niyo po, no? Say for example, in-insure niyo po si baby ng 500,000 times 200%, that's 1 million yung insurance coverage po ni baby. The baby gets to enjoy 40,000, that's 8% of the 500,000 on his or her 6th birthday and every after 2 years until age 100. And if hindi nyo naman po kukunin yung 40,000, no, mag-appreciate pa po siya, no? Ngayon, ang appreciation rate natin is 4.2%. Imagine, yung amount na 40,000, kumikita po siya ng 4.2% every year, no? Ngayon, ito appreciation rate is depende kung kailan po kayo kumuha and at the same time, nag-iiba-iba po siya per year, no? Ngayon, ipapakita ko lang po ngayon yung next, no? The positioning. So, saan nyo po ba siya pwedeng gamitin? This is just, no, an idea na pwede nyo gawin, no? Kapag kumukuha po kayo ng Sun Life Elite. So, first and foremost, ayan, A. So, positioning A is you have the endowment, no? Since guaranteed nga po yung endowment niya, you can invest or the endowment. Withdrawin nyo po siya, ayan, to a business, no? As your working capital or start-up capital for your business, no? Again, kapag withdraw niyo po ito, agandahan is hindi matatapos yung policy niyo. Kapag ang pwede niyo po kasing withdrawin dito without affecting the policy is the endowments and dividends. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin po kayo makaka-receive ng dividends and endowments, ayan, as well, no? So here, ayan, so that's the positioning A for business, no? Next, B, additional funds for education. Say for example, kinuha mo to for educational funding ni anak. So, pandagdag sa education, since guaranteed nga ito, nag-earn din siya ng interest, the accumulation rate, no? or yung tinatawag na appreciation rate, you get to enjoy an amount once na, say for example, mag-college si anak, may paghuhugutan po tayo na naiipon po natin through the policy. And again, kapag winidraw po natin yung endowments na yon and dividends, hindi po matatapos ang policy natin. That's the one thing na maganda po dito sa policy na to, Sun Life Elite. And bibigyan din po si anak, ayan, or kayo po as the owner until age 100 pa rin. Ayan. Then, letter C. Ayan. So, position ng C is the graduation gift, no? Say for example, nag-iisip kayo, ano ba yung pwede kong pagkuhaan ng graduation gift? Say for example, you want to give something na sobrang ganda naman, no? Something worth of value once na nagtapos ng pag-aaral po si anak ng college, for example. You either want na bigyan siya ng pang-startup, ganyan, or pambili ng kotse, depende po, no? Depende po sa inyo. Ang ano lang nun, guys, no? Mas maganda po na sinimulan niyo siya ng maaga. Why? Kasi, kunyari, magbibigay kayo ng kotse, mahirap naman maglabas ng isang bagsakan, no? Ay, mas maganda na pinag-iipunan niyo siya para at least hindi masakit sa bulsa kapag niregalo niyo po ang isang bagay. And the good thing with this, no, kapag ganun po yung pinosisyon niyo, later on, may mahuhugot po kayo pang graduation gift. Next, lifetime income. So this is a benefit talaga ng Sun Life Elite because you get to enjoy its endowment and its dividends until age 100. And kagandahan pa po nun, kahit wini-withdraw nyo po yun, bibigyan at bibigyan pa rin po kayo ni Sun Life. So again, this is Sun Life Elite. And hopefully, no, you guys learn from this video. And if you have questions, just message me or reply to this video. Or if you already have a financial advisor, just contact your financial advisor and pa-explain po kayo or pagawa po kayo ng computation sa kanya. And yun, have a great day, guys.